Hey guys, it's YEAHITSANN. If you like to see how I got this look, keep watching.
She like the way I know you stay up in your bag. You got a couple of bands in your stack. A lot of people dying, and it's a chance that you might. You got God on your side, but it's hard to do right.
Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Today I am going to be installing a custom 5x5 wig by myself. Right here I'm putting on my wig cap. And now I am going to slick down my edges. You guys are probably asking why am I about to do this, but this is because if the wind blows or anything, I just want my edges to look wig. Because this is not a frontal or anything like that, it's a 5x5 closure. So it goes from like one side of my forehead to another, so I just don't want people to see naps if the wind blows a little too hard. Now you guys are about to meet my new custom wig. I don't know what to call her, but I really like her. And I'm just about to pop that on. I don't have no elastic band, no nothing. This wig fits so snug. I just love it. It's a 5x5 closure and 3 bundles. And I just love it. It's so full and long and it's so cute. It's a vibe, guys. As you can see, I'm just brushing the wig, making sure all the waves are out. And in this video, I did not define my curls at the end or the waves at the end, but I'm just trying to get this wig as flat as possible, to be honest. It just needs to look flat. It needs to be laid. I'm about to do the baby hairs, but this is a non-glueless method. So really, all we're doing is installing and slaying this wig. And that's on period. Alright, right now I am going to be using my hot comb. I have the one that plugs in. I don't have the one that goes on the stove, but it is at number 20 and it's the hottest that it could go. And right now I'm just going in with the hot comb, going in with the comb, defining my part, making sure everything just lays, guys. Like, it's really about how flat you can get this wig. And if you can't get it flat, that means you did something wrong when you were customizing or sewing this wig, or your braids are too big. If your braids are too big, the whole install will be messed up, to be honest. So yeah, right now I'm just defining my part, hot combing. That's really all that you guys are gonna see right now. Okay, so at this point, you guys are probably like, what is she doing right now? Right now, I'm trying to give my hair a little volume. So I'm taking the front of my hairline, I'm pushing it back. I'm making sure that everything is, like, it's not too flat. I don't like it when it's too flat, like that it just goes straight down your face. I like a little bit of volume. And right now, I'm going with my tweezers, plucking it, combing it with the comb, guys. I'm just making it to my liking. Like, whatever you like, that's what you do. If you want a flat install, you do not have to push all that hair back, but that's just not my cup of tea. Now I'm about to go in with my handy dandy wax stick. You can get this off of Amazon for like $12, or your local hair store. Not sure how much that is, but any wax stick will do. Just whichever one of your preference. And did I say preference? I don't know, preference. And I'm hot combing, I'm fixing, I'm about to cut out my baby hairs. No, I'm not about to do that. Sorry, I lied. I am about to go in with my wax stick on my hairline. I'm about to get it slayed. Guys, I used to do gel, as I said in the last video. I do not use gel anymore because gel just builds up and I want my wig to last. So right here, just as you can see, you see that there's like some hair pushback, and then I just make the hair love that I love it like that. Right now I'm about to take the makeup and define my part. And that this is a very important like part of the video or part of the hairstyle, because look at it. It looks so seamless. It looks so seamless. Ooh, I love when I do that. I get too hype. Alright guys, right now I am combing out my edges. I'm just trying to get them in place so I can cut them a little bit more. They're kind of too long right here, so if I shape them, it's just gonna look weird. And I just pulled my wig up for like more towards my what am I saying? I am trying to say that I pulled my wig down so my forehead doesn't show that much. And today I did a different type of baby hairs than I usually do. I've been doing the two baby hairs, one on the left, one on the right, but I added in the swoop today. But after this video, I actually changed it, so that's probably what you guys are gonna see on the thumbnail. I like this baby hairstyle, but I just feel like it doesn't fit me as well as it fits other people. Alright, so now it's time to pull out your favorite gel. It could be Eco Styler, it could be GLUELESS, it could be I would say Got To Be, but I don't use Got To Be by itself. I like use Got To Be to go over something because Got To Be is too strong. So right now I'm using GLUELESS, and as you can see, I'm cutting the baby hairs. I gotta make it a little shorter. If they're too long, it's gonna be very hard to swoop them, so just keep that in mind. If you guys are trying to do your edges, you just gotta cut them to a good length. And I'm not saying doing edges are easy. I do not think that either, but like, you just gotta play around with your baby hairs. Try not to cut too much. I'd rather cut too little than too much because you can't get that hair back. So guys, as you can see right now, I am about to get too hyped because I love when my hair is freshly done. But I don't know why. Something kept throwing me off about my edges. I believe, like, I don't know. I know why, but I just don't know how to explain it. I really do like these edges, but I just don't like them on me. So I did end up changing my hair, as I told you, after this. But if you like the 3 swoops, this is a good video for you because look at me. Just look. I love it. I look cute. Yes. And this is an HD closure. I love it. So guys, thank you for joining me and watching how I did my hair, and I hope you guys liked it, and I will be back with more videos. See you guys soon.